In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a loop carousel in Elementor. Start by opening the Elementor editor and navigating to the section of your page where you want the carousel to appear. Once you've created space for it, look at the left-hand side panel and search for Image Carousel. Drag and drop the Image Carousel block into the chosen section of your page. The first step is to select the images you want to include. From the left-hand side panel, click on Add Images icon, and then either upload images from your device or select existing ones from your media library. After choosing your images, click Create a New Gallery at the bottom right-hand side of the screen, then click Insert Gallery. Next, go to the left-hand panel again and adjust the carousel settings. In the drop-down menu for Slides to Show, choose how many images you want to display at one time. For this example, I am selecting 8. Then expand the navigation settings and select None, so no arrows or dots appear. Scroll down further and open the Additional Options menu. Here, make sure that Autoplay is turned on. I recommend disabling Pause on Hover and Pause on Interaction so that the carousel continues to move smoothly. Set the autoplay speed to 0 for continuous movement. Also, ensure that Infinite Loop is enabled and set the animation speed to a value you like. Here I am using 5000 for a steady flow. Once the settings are complete, switch to the Style tab. In the Spacing drop-down, select Custom and set the spacing between images. You can also apply a small border radius to give your images slightly rounded edges. Finally, click Publish at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Open your site in a new tab and refresh it, and you will see that the loop carousel is active and running smoothly. Now, the carousel is looking good, but if you have Elementor Pro and you also want to remove these small movement pauses, you can refine it further. Go back to the Elementor editor, switch to the Advanced tab, and scroll down until you find the Custom CSS option. This feature is only available in Elementor Pro. Expand the Custom CSS box and paste in this CSS code visible on my screen. I will also include this code in the video description for you to copy. Once you add the code, click Publish again. Now refresh your site and you'll see that the pauses have completely disappeared, leaving the carousel moving in an infinite continuous loop at the same speed. And this is how you can create a loop carousel in Elementor.